How y'all doing? I guess everybody put their little take on the brace. I've been in it a while, and I got a few things to say. Hang on. All right. To begin with, it was called a SIG brace because SIG came up with it. When they first came up with it, the ATF was like, damn, these guys got us. All right, yeah, you can have it. Just don't shoulder it. Shortly after that, you came up with the firearm thing. That's where the hell are they? Those shockwaves. But before that, there was a shotgun that a sideways. Don't even get me started on that one. So they said, okay, you can have the brace, just don't shoulder it. Not gonna say. Then I made a couple videos saying, who are they to say what I can do? I mean, you could actually take a pistol, put a laser grip on it, put it up against your shoulder, and what's going on here? Then they say, well, we know you're going to shoulder it. Go ahead and shoulder it. All right. Then people that make firearms start getting cocky. Now they made an adjustable SIG brace. For a decade, the ATF has been setting us the fuck up. How many of these things are out there? This is just a little 22. How many of these things out there? Millions? Now all of a sudden you got to get this thing registered? Now what do I do to this thing? Do I just, pull this thing, take it all the way off? Can't do it in the video. Hang on, I'm gonna get it. But this was sold as a pistol with the brace. So now, this is just a little 22. Now this got this little thing on here for no reason. No reason whatsoever. Must I saw this off to make it legal? Because you can still do this. Boom, 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 boom. I'm out of bullets. I have no idea where this is going. But I do know now, I know for a fact, a decade. My grandson is 10 years old. They started this just to set us up to get rid of all our little fun stuff. First, they got to make it where there's so many of them, so they have to make a rule on it. So when they make the rule on it, they move on by saying, well, there's so many of them, we got to make a rule on this. The NFA Act is unconstitutional. The ATF should be a convenience store. They should not be a government entity. You should be able to walk into a store, buy your tobacco, your firearms, and your alcohol. God bless. Bye.